Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 68 algorithm video. In this task we are given a string and we need to find substrings which would be palindromes, and at the end we need to find the longest palindromic substring. So for this algorithm I would be using the pop function, and for pop function we would need to convert this string into a list because pop function do not work on list string. I would be explaining to you that why I would be using pop function. Convert this string into a list. Now let me explain to you how the pseudocode would work. Now as suggested that because we would be using pop function, it is recommended that we iterate through the list string from backwards to forwards. So we would start with D. One letter characters would not be considered as substring for palindromes, so I would add A to it. It is not a palindrome. DAB is not a palindrome. DABA is not a palindrome, and DABAB is also not a palindrome. So I would pop out D from the list string and I would empty out the substring. Next I would start with A, then add B to it. AB is not a palindrome, but ABA is a palindrome, so we have found out our first palindrome. It's ABA. Then I would add B to it. ABAB is not a palindrome. I would pop out A from the list string and I would empty out the substring. Then I would start with B, add A to it. It is not a palindrome. BAB is a palindrome. So we have found out our second palindrome. It is BAB. Then I would empty out the substring and pop out B. Then I would start with A, add B to it. It is not a palindrome. I would empty out the substring and pop out A. Then the only remaining character is B. B as a substring would not be considered for palindrome. So I would empty out the substring and I would pop out B from the list string. Once the list string length becomes 0, I would give the command to Python that it should end the while loop. Now that I have explained to you how this code would work, let's make the algorithm. BABAD. I would make a blank list of palindrome list and I would make use of the while loop. While len of list string is not equal to 0, then I would make a variable of substring to check. It would initially be blank, and since I would be using pop function removes characters using index, so I would make a variable of element to remove and I would give it a value of len of list string -1. Then I would use for loop for I in range len of list string -1 -1 -1. Substring to check is equal to substring to check plus list string I. If len of substring to check is equal to 1, I would print substring to check. It is of length 1, so ignore it, continue. Elif if the substring to check is a palindrome. So basically in this line we are checking whatever substring we have gotten as of now. We would check whether it's a palindrome or not. For this purpose we would be using the slicing notation. Colon -1 basically means that we would be looking at the sequence in the reverse order. So for example, if the substring that we have got as of now is BAB, and if we reverse it, it would still be written as BAB. so it's a palindrome. So if it is a if the substring to check is a palindrome, so I would append the substring to check to palindrome list. And if it is not a palindrome, I would just print substring to check is not a palindrome. Print substring to check is a palindrome. Now once out of the for loop, I would pop out the last character from the list string dot pop element to remove, and once the while loop is completed, I would print out the palindrome list. So as expected, the palindrome list contains two substrings which are palindromes. It is ABA and BAB. So we started with D, it is of one length, so we ignored it. DA is not a palindrome, DAB is not a palindrome, DABA is not a palindrome, DABAB is not a palindrome. So we popped out this D character. Then we started with A. It is not a palindrome, we ignore it. AB is not a palindrome, AB is a palindrome. So we appended ABA in the palindrome list. ABAB is not a palindrome. Then we popped out A. We started with B. B is of length 1, so we ignore it. BA is not a palindrome, BAB is a palindrome. We have got our second palindrome, so on and so forth, and we have got two palindromes. But we need to find the longest palindromic substrings. Both are of the same length, but we need to complete the code. So I would do maximum length is equal to float minus infinity, and I would make a max palindrome list. I would make it blank for palindrome in palindrome list if len of palindrome is greater than maximum length. I would do maximum length is equal to len of palindrome, and I would append that maximum length palindrome to maximum palindrome list. Maximum palindrome list dot append palindrome. Then I would print out max palindrome list. Sorry, it should be if length of palindrome is greater than or equal to maximum length. So yes, this is our answer. ABA and BAB are the two palindromes, and since they are the same length, so max palindrome list contains ABA and BAB as the two palindromes which are of the longest length. Next, if I change the question to CBBD, so yes, BB is the answer. We have got only one substring, and it is the only substring which is a palindrome, and by default it is the longest palindromic substring. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.